For millions of Americans, tinnitus is a constant ringing or buzzing with no external sound. It affects about 27 million people, and for some, it becomes overwhelming. For Clara, a mother of two, the buzzing started after a cold and never stopped. Doctors told her nothing could be done, and she grieved the loss of silence for years. But things changed when researchers developed a new therapy called bimodal neuromodulation. It uses gentle electrical pulses on the tongue combined with specific sounds played through headphones. Together, these signals retrain the brain to pay less attention to the phantom noise. One device, called Linear, is FDA approved in the United States and is showing strong results in clinical trials. In Part 2, we will look at what causes tinnitus and why this new approach works for so many people.